Everything begins when your home needs something more. Sometimes it's an urgent repair. Other times it's an improvement your family has been dreaming about for years. At Woodworks Remodeling, we handle general repairs, because a home needs to work well before it looks beautiful. Every detail is handled with care to protect your investment. We remodel and rebuild complete bathrooms. We design and remodel kitchens, spaces where families gather and share. We transform attics and basements, turning unused spaces into functional areas, full of life and new possibilities. We build and renovate bedrooms, designed to grow with your family and adapt to your needs. We install and renovate ceilings with clean, durable finishes built to last over time. We work on front and backyard spaces, creating areas to relax and share, where your family can enjoy the outdoors. Every project, big or small, receives the same level of care, from a simple repair to a full renovation. Our work isn't just about building, it's about protecting your investment, respecting your home, and supporting your family every step of the way. In the end, we don't just deliver a finished space, we deliver peace of mind, confidence, and a home that works better for your family. If you have any questions or are thinking about improving your home, a simple call is the next step.